Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, here's a live look with our Great Repose building cam looking west out of Terre Haute. The rain ended there a little while ago. It's dry in the Terre Haute area now, but I did want to show you what it looked like as the rain started to move in toward the Terre Haute area. I have a little time lapse for you here, and you can see the clouds starting to thicken during the early afternoon hours. And eventually, here comes some rain, something we hadn't seen in a while, moving down across the area. And most areas picked up some pretty good rainfall. No real severe weather. There was a little bit of wind and a little bit of some lightning, but overall, just a good old drink of water across the area. And then you can see the clouds starting to clear as we see a break now moving across the area. So some good news. We got some rain today. That's good because the drought monitor came out today. This is based on information through Tuesday. Anything in yellow, we call that abnormally dry. Southwestern counties still not technically even abnormally dry, but anywhere from Terre Haute to Brazil and north, this is what we call a moderate drought. And this shading from Champaign to Tuscola is what we call a severe drought. So rain, big time needed. We got some. We're not done. I think we're going to see a little bit more. You can see the first round has moved on. We're getting some breaks in the clouds back here. We're going to start to watch more development way out here, and that will move in, I think, late overnight into the wee hours of tomorrow morning. But here's just a few of the reports I got this afternoon. Newton, Illinois, look at that, 3 inches of rain. Sanford, Indiana, northwestern Vigo County, about 2 1/4, and Mattoon, Illinois, pushing 2 inches of rain. So some pretty good rain across the area. We'll take a look at the radar estimate on rainfall total here in just a minute. 81 the high today, which was below the average because the rain held the temperatures down. 107 the record high set back in 1936. At the TV station, finally some rain. 1.03. We got almost as much rain this afternoon as we got the entire month of June. We had 1.26 for June, so within a quarter of an inch of getting the amount we got in June just this afternoon. Very welcome, no doubt about that. River in Terre Haute, about 4.5 feet and holding stationary. What are we tracking? Well, there's more chances of rain tonight into the day tomorrow, which is good news. Dry for the weekend and less humid. You're really going to like the weekend. And it looks like basically the dry weather pattern will come back once we hit the weekend and into next week. At the airport in Terre Haute, after the rain has moved through, 77 out there. A lot of moisture, though, 94% on the moisture, so got a lot of moisture still left over. Temperatures, though, are not bad. We're in the 70s because we've had all this rain. As we look at the heat index for tomorrow, again, not bad because of some clouds and rain. Heat index around 90, give or take. So, again, not way hot, but it is going to be pretty humid. There you can see the rain develop across the area, moved on, and getting a little break now back to the west. We'll start to see a little bit more rain developing, probably across northern Missouri, western Illinois in this area, and eventually we'll move in. But you can see the first round has moved clear of the area. On the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, pretty much in our far eastern areas, and nothing really showing up behind that. I did want to show you, though, this is radar estimated rain, and you can see some of the heavier amounts in the western and southern areas. We'll kind of zoom in for you. One area I highlighted was down here near Olney at 3.3 inches, and we had Newton right in here at about 3 inches. So some heavier rains in some of those southern counties, but at least everybody picking up some rain. So here we go. Our model shows the rain moving out this evening. We catch a break for a while, and I think early tomorrow morning, and I do mean pretty early, see the clock up there? Another round of rain heads in. This should then clear out of the area and give us some drier weather for a while in the afternoon. Eventually, some more rain, though, will move in, it looks like, as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Eventually, by tomorrow night, rain chances are over and a nice weekend settles in. So for tonight, we'll call for some showers and storms. This would be later overnight. The rain from now kind of moving east of here. 73, temperatures will hold steady. During the day tomorrow, some scattered showers and a few storms. I think we'll see some early, a break, and then probably a few more pop in the afternoon. Daytime high of 84. And then after that, the weekend really is going to shape up quite nicely. Temperatures not bad at all. Highs only into the mid-80s, lows into the upper 50s. It'll also be less humid. You're really going to like that. We do get back near 90 by next Monday, Tuesday, but notice the general pattern, drier weather as we head for the weekend and next week. Warm but not excessive with highs near 90. That's your forecast. Sports coming up right after the break.